This is chicken plant.
The flowers, the leaves, and the roots can be eaten. And one interesting fact is that the roots are used as a coffee substitute. Here's chickweed right here, and this is also edible. Here's purslane. It's a very nutritious plant, and it is rich in omega-3. So stinging nettle right here, you can use it as a tea, stinging nettle tea, or you can also cook it and saute it and boil it. This is called Queen Anne's lace or wild carrot, and it's used as a tincture, and also that is specifically to prevent pregnancies. There's white clover, and you can use this as you would a red clover. This is jewel weed right here. It grows in moist areas, and it's a very important weed as it is an antidote to poison oak, poison sumac, and poison ivy. And it grows very close to the said poisonous plants. Let's find out. Okay, here's the poison ivy. Some calls this as poison oak, but the poison oak has lobes. Here's the regular 3-leaf poison ivy. Here's wild chamomile, and this can be used as a tea. This is crab apple.
Crab apple.
And it's right there. It's very tart. Here's Oxeye Daisy. Its flowers and leaves can be eaten raw or sauteed. And yeah, here's Hickory Nut tree. And the hickory nuts can be eaten, but it will be ready in September and October. It looks like raspberries, but it is on the ground. But this is called wild strawberries. This is a wild mulberry tree, and you can see that others are not yet ripe. Here's cattails right here. The cob is edible, and you can roast it, boil it, or you can even eat it raw. And you can get the stem and remove the outer layer and get the inner part and cook it, and it tastes like asparagus. The bulb, you can use it too, but it depends on what kind of water it is in. Here's white birch right here. The sap can be taken out just like how you do it in maple tree, and it's highly nutritious. It can also be done in black birch and yellow birch trees.